as we tell you, it's Feel Good Friday. We're going to have cross country without the Energizer Bunny. No.
And the crowd. And the
And
It's crowd.
And the It's crowd. This is Hits 92 FM, Jenny Wagwan.
Me go tropical.
All right.
Me chewing DJ.
Well, me hear so we have a clash this morning.
You're right there, though, man.
Me hear so we have a clash
because
this
guess
morning.
where me come from with you now?
Where you come from?
Because you named Delia.
Yeah.
And you walk with all of Miss World.
Yeah.
And the all a smile.
Yeah.
Me walk with IK. You can't chat to
No,
me.
but hold on.
Me can't lose.
No. And
So-
then Jenny DJ, I got show the music for the
Yeah,
clash.
no, but me IK I go sing.
That clash already. That set up against
So
me.
you are going to sing.
From Tropical. Find anything.
So who are going to drop the first rhythm now?
No, him just, him figure we
no,
are rhythm.
No, who are going to DJ pan the rhythm first? So we're
Me?
going to look for say, oh, I got drop for the biggest song, pan the rhythm.
Me hear
It's
the
TV
rhythm.
versus radio. It's
Me
hits
hear the
versus
rhythm.
man. It's festival queen versus festival queen.
See it and now.
Ready now, run it.
See it and no.
Your time.
What kind of
Come, I
early
can't stay
juggling tune? It's reggae.
Ready, your time.
Who
Hey,
you think you are? You're living in a small world.
pull up, wait. Wheel it. They're not real for you.
Oh, we mean them never real for
Watch
me?
on, my song.
Jenny, you can't compete and judge same
What,
time.
true,
No, you
true.
can't compete and judge same
Watch
time.
yourself. Wait now. Love to see my people living in love. Love, no.
Oh, no, this man. No, sir.
Wait,
Pull it up.
Talking about this ghetto girl.
No, man. You have to know the words.
Never text, she's
She's simple. No, because she's mad, you see her
Talking
nipple,
about
Mr.
this
Ghetto
ghetto
girl.
girl.
Nobody takes that she's soft.
Pull up.
Pull up. New rhythm.
Song that.
Find a rhythm with Jenny know her words. Find a rhythm with Jenny know her words.
Watch it now. Ready now. I want to I want to know. Ready? Ready?
Mr. One set of footprints in the sun, and them a mumble and a grumble say it would have it too. Yeah.
Wait.
When never
Pull
know
up.
say I
Pull up.
carry you.
My God. Yes, you got to be strong. Do all the best you can. The word is pull up.
One your way too long. She's not friend, she becomes your friend, and behind your back
she
she's
gonna take
your bed. I admit it, I didn't eat it.
Wait, 1-1. You take her on it. Listen up. Wait.
Joy is by my side.
It not start yet. Your team.
Jenny.
Ready? Ready now.
See what you
Ready
know?
now.
If boom, this a tune ya. Boom, this a tune ya. Boom, this a tune ya. Run with it, Jenny.
Ready now.
If Jah is standing by my side, then why should I be afraid of the pestilence that crawleth by night?
Pull. So, we end together.
Yes, darling. Jenny, tell me what going on with It's No Cross Country Invasion.
It's crazy. We're all over the place.
Yes.
So we're here. Then later on we have Girls Sports Club at Turtle River. Then we're going to Portmore. But Hits 92, we just gone crazy though with our energy. And you see what's happening.
Me like it.
You see
Me
calendar.
like it.
Beg your calendar. Find
Here's
your
the
calendar.
problem with It's No. When you start with Jenny in the morning, you know, that means it turn up your sign, you know.
I know it's crazy.
It's not turned up
It's
no
crazy.
time at all.
And then controversy turn up at It's No.
Yes.
Because you have Jenny.
Yes.
And then you have mix up,
Yes.
Oral Tracy.
Yes.
And Meredith. And then in the night, no in face, yeah, outside the bad, we have Simon Crosskill. So for the whole day, it's controversy. For the whole, and in there you have the musical groove.
In the middle.
With the DJ, them Xavier Tropical.
Roderick.
Look at Garfield.
Dalton.
Yeah, me tell
No,
you. So therefore, and look at our calendar.
Look on the
Well,
calendar.
I like to talk to our other sisters, you know.
Yes, please.
That we like on the calendar.
Ah, yes.
But we love we calendar.
On a hot pan it.
Yeah, me just want you know.
Una look happy,
This is our
Oscar-
sports and we have the
Oscar's happy,
girls.
so.
So you see, it's all stand out strong now. So we
Yes.
have girls in the mix.
Yes.
Not just in the morning. And of course, you have Essence on Sunday too. So we're
Me
not
not tell no lie though. Wanna clean up
We're
Tracy good pan the
in the
calendar.
proper door. You
Yeah,
never know
Tracy
say
look
so
good.
loud.
Tracy look good.
Then look, so we have a scene up. We're
Yes.
having fun scene.
Yes.
Watch it, we'll have good wine and liquor.
Yes.
Remember me
OB.
tell you, see, OB within Greenback.
Yes. Wanna get Dalton liquor ear pan the side I'm head door.
No, I shadow.
No,
I
go on.
shadow. I shall.
Jenny, your makeup turn up good in this.
It's nice. Them can't miss it.
No.
And I mean to my face.
So are you giving out your calendars on the road as well?
It's crazy
right,
though.
Nice.
So therefore, that's what one of the reasons apart from the vibe.
Yeah.
So I said, watch my cause turn up. Who not get no calendar yet?
Who not get?
Why? Who not get yet? So we're giving this calendar. We're giving.
Yes.
We're going on the road with our artists as well.
Yes.
So we're giving this to IKEA.
IKEA.
And we have more to give out.
All right, me not have the
Smile.
energy for much, Jenny.
Big up
So
to
me
Smile.
gone, me gone.
Big up to
me
Smile.
gone,
Big up
me
to
gone.
Delia.
Go on with the tune.
Boy.
If Jah is standing by my
So
side.
tell me about yourself.
Yeah, I'm at a fire. Always I try, you know. Boy, so for me, a young boy, to me, an old boy, you know. You see me, I say, yeah, finger licking still. You see me, I say, in a one go. Me two on my 3 pot. Yeah, but them be on my 2 pot still. And my end this. I have some base, you know. When I don't sell soap, I shop. You see me, mean to all me I run shop, me I boil soap. So me I'll catch all fire from all 2 o'clock. So when all 5 o'clock, 5:30, soup ready. But during Thursday, I'm soup ready all 12 o'clock. But them time I soup ready early. People say, it's so early. And more time I have to go and build, take it off of the fire and make him go and simmer down there, you know?
Tell me what makes at a fire soup the best soup downtown.
Oh, my spice beers, my spice, at a fire spice. But me really can't tell out my spice and look at them, I go pirate it. But I'm a spice man, finger licking, me mix the country cooking and the town cooking, combine them with that one, and we get the thing, you know? For me young being do it, you know, so I have to master it by now. I'm now St. Mary youth, you know. It's a St. Mary man, you know? Coming at the town, I make my name Atafire, but I'm really Atafire my right name, but just do my name as Atafire. Love on all. Come downtown and taste a nice Atafire soup. Atafire. And you hear the Atafire sound, corn and soup, and me, Atafire, and I one go.